show. I'm sure you'll enjoy this. So I've created a simple virtual space in which I'm interacting with it. So you can see that when I move my head, when I move my neck, it's like I'm actually moving within the virtual space, right? And it's the center is basically the sphere that you see is just to give me an understanding of where I'm looking at, so that I'm not moving out of the screen. But the actual thing I want to show you is the AI that I've created, which is going to learn my movements. So let's say I bring my hand up. Currently, the AI is afraid. So I'm calling her Maya because she's the one who's learning this basically. So if I have the same position up, she is building trust. But if I make a sudden movement, like a fist, and if I throw my hands around, she'll just observe my movement and then she'll come back to me, right? And if I do a peace sign, she knows that I want her to just observe my peace sign, that I'm at peace with her. But currently she's in fear. So if I welcome her by opening my palm and showing her that, hey, things are okay, you don't have to be afraid, you can say that the trust starts building very slowly. And then if I bring my hand back and if I do a peace sign, you will notice that she will slowly recognize that she has nothing to fear. She's observing that, hey, there's no problem, I'm at peace. I can probably just observe the movements, and she's synchronizing as well. If my trust is full, you'll notice that it almost gets full, but then any sudden movements, the AI gets afraid again. So that's something I need to work on. But otherwise, she's learning from me. She's recognizing that there's nothing to be afraid, and you can see this. If after a certain point you'll notice that she's not going to be afraid, if I hold up the peace sign a little longer, she'll even start dancing around my hand. A kind of recognition that this is trustworthy. But because I have so many sudden movements, she takes time just observing my movements, and then she gets used to it. And every time the trust is increasing, she will move closer to my hands. And you can see it moves faster. Beautiful, right? I can, I should be, it should become more easier as and when she is learning my movements. But yeah, this is basically it. A simple design that I've created. Probably I'm going to experiment a little bit with sign language if that's possible. But I know that's a huge task. But at least getting the AI to trust my movements should give me an understanding of what's expected. You can see. Yeah, she's dancing now because she recognizes that the peace sign basically means it's trustworthy. Beautiful, right? I hope you guys like this very much. Thumbs up.